Hello everyone, Mugabeman here. So if you want a free funded account, almost free, it's just $1 1k account by Aquafunded. So you got there Telegram and you'll find the link there. It's aquafunded.com/try-HUA. So just click on that and pay $1 to get your free account. 1k instant funded account for just $1. So just tap on start trading, claim my account. That's the button right there. But there's also this other one, the 5k, and the 5k is just $10 instant funded, but the withdrawal is weekly compared to the usual instant accounts, which are payout on demand, maximum daily loss and maximum loss, profit split 100%. So check it out, guys. Once you get your account, login details, and then you can start trading from. Let's go to Alright, let's switch to MetaTrader 5. Once you switch to your MT5, you go to this button up here in the corner right there and go to manage accounts and go to tap on the plus button and type in Aquafunded. So that will appear. Select it and you put the logins right here, the ones you got from the email once after purchasing the instant funded account. Alright, so once you have your account there, go to codes and just delete everything. I don't know what you want to trade. You can be trading US Tech, you can be trading Nasdaq, Euro, USD, GBP, whatever you want. But for me, I just come here and delete everything, and then I go here and type in what I want: XAU, USD. I've already added that one. XAU, GBP. Just tap on the plus button to add it to the list, and then you come to the specific pair and choose, just tap it and choose chat. So that's how you start trading on your mobile phones. So the best thing would be to wait for this candle to close, 30-minute candle, and if you notice on the right hand side, it's only 1 minute away, 1 minute 24 seconds counting down. So once that candle closes, we can see what to do next. But right now, you can't just come from nowhere and land into the candle, because you see it's moving upwards and you put in a buy. Now you see it's moving again.